Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Bethany and I am one busy mama. So today's topic is Mommy Mondays. And today will be breastfeeding essentials. What I think you need for breastfeeding. So I did do a breastfeeding tips or another breastfeeding video. I will leave the link up there if you're interested in seeing that. So okay, so I made a list of things that I wish I would have known I needed before I started breastfeeding and things I would like to pass on. My props, as you will. So first off, you need to supply yourself with a nice, comfy breastfeeding bra. Or a nursing bra. You can find them pretty much anywhere. Walmart, Target, Motherhood, Maternity, Amazon. That is where I got the majority of my nursing bras. Amazon sells them in a 2-pack in different colors. Here's one. This is a black standard breastfeeding or nursing bra. They have the pads in the inside, which you move them around. They have adjustable straps with the clip, which is pretty much essential to breastfeeding. So you have the clip and you have the slide. And these bras are really comfortable, day, night, and they wash very well. And they have these snaps on the back. This one has 4, some of them have 3. And then on the inside, this is what it looks like. So when you're wearing it, see, it easily snaps, which is really nice because when you're in a hurry, you know. So you have, this is the front, and then you could just snap it down and voila. And then you just snap it back on. So it came in a 2-pack. I believe they were like 14 bucks, but there are different ones. Like they have 5-packs, 3-packs, and they have a nude color. They have pinks. They have all kinds of colors. Amazon is really good for that, especially if you don't want to leave the house. And pretty much you just go by your size. I believe they have a size chart on there. It doesn't actually say on this one, but I just chose whatever my normal bra size would be and translate it. And this is a different one that I got from Amazon in a different pack. So it's a little tighter in the front versus this one is looser. They look kind of the same, but they're not. This one has more spandex, so it has more give. And this one is a large, and it's 90% nylon, 10% spandex, and they're made in China. This one has 3 snaps here, and again it has the typical adjustable straps with the clip, so you just clip it down in the front. This one I got as a 2, well, these were sold separately, but I got both this one and the one that I'm wearing from Motherhood Maternity, and they are in the size large. If you go into the store, you can actually try them on, but once you buy one, you typically know which size you run, and they're stretchy. And they also have the pads inside. They don't come out, but this one is nice. Because it has the racer back, so it's more like a sports bra. See if I can show you. So there's the back, and it is just like a sports bra. Very nice. Definitely get one that's comfortable. You don't need underwire. That is horrendous when you're trying to breastfeed, and really when you're breastfeeding, you don't need them up in your neck. A boppy pillow. So usually you put that on your registry for the newborn, but you can also use it when you're breastfeeding. You can use any pillow, but the boppy kind of like goes around you and the baby just sits on top of it, and it eases up from you having to hunch over. And a comfy chair. Always have a comfy chair. Don't just sit on the floor. You need to be relaxed. You need to be in a great position. Breast pads was the next thing. So I did buy like the reusable one. I'll leave a picture of a brand. But then I found these reusable breast pads. They're just cotton rounds, and some of them have designs, some of them don't. These ones just, I happen to grab the ones that don't, and they are absorbable. They actually do work, and you can just throw these in the laundry and just keep washing them and using them, changing them daily, as opposed to the disposable ones. They don't soak up quite as much, and then you have to get another one and you have to keep buying them. These are very economical and ergonomical. So I highly advise on the washable ones, and they just go inside. If you're not familiar, they just go inside the sleeve of your bra, and it just sits there and collects any extra milk that may come out, especially in the beginning, the first 2 to 3 weeks when you're super engorged. These help awesomely when you're sleeping. I've made quite a bit of messes, and I recommend those. Storage bags, I talked about that in my last video, but storage bags are a must if you're pumping. Medela is a great one because you have the time, the date, whatever you want to write on there. Lansinoh, it's Lansinoh. Those are good too, and I usually just pop them in my pump bag, as well as like some extra like disposable breast pads. I don't pump anymore, but when I did. So you can find those at Amazon, Walmart, Target. Those are just the ones that I use, but they have other ones. Continue with your vitamins. It helps with your supply, and it's also good to take vitamins every day. Easy shirts. This is an easy shirt. This is just a racerback tank top, a cami, a pullover shirt. You don't need to go out and buy a nursing shirt just for breastfeeding. I mean, you could just lift up your shirt, put the baby under there, or get one of those breastfeeding covers. Whatever works for you, but don't waste extra money on special shirts. A nursing bra is fine. Drink lots and lots and lots and lots of water. So when you're first postpartum, and nobody tells you all these things, they just encourage you to breastfeed, right? They just keep saying, oh, it's so good, it's great for the baby. But there's some things that I learned years ago that I don't see them telling you about anymore. So you don't want to use heavy soaps on the breast area or on the nipples, because it dries out the nipples faster, which closes the ducts, which makes it very hard for the baby to smell and latch on. So you want to use like a baby cleanser if you're going to wash around your breasts and nipple areas, like Johnson & Johnson, Baby Magic, whatever baby soap. But you don't want to be like heavily, scrubbing your nipples either, just because it hurts. And in the first few weeks, you already got enough going on there. You don't need to like scrub. So easy on the scents, the perfumes, the lotions. Babies do identify breast milk by the smell. So if they can't smell it, they can't look for it, and that's what they're using, is that sense of smell. I already mentioned the leakage. There's tons in the first few weeks, and if you let your time go by past 2-3 hours, you're gonna find yourself soaked. So you want to have these puppies. I think that's about it. If you have any questions, comments, you just want to share your personal story on breastfeeding, leave all that down below. I'm trying to do Mommy Monday so that I can have some of everything on the channel. If I missed anything, it's not on purpose. These were just a few essentials that I thought were necessary. And stay tuned for more Mommy Mondays. And as always, guys, stay safe.